Hey, this is Nick with Dine Company, and I've got some exciting news. Due to high demand, we have expanded our used equipment section.
We've always offered secondhand equipment, and now with more space, we are able to bring in more high-end and affordable equipment than ever before. Whether you're starting a completely new restaurant or opening your next location, our expanded selection gives you more options.
If you're in the Louisville area, stop by and see us. If not, you can shop online using the link in the description below. In today's video, we'll discuss the benefits of purchasing used equipment. The first and most obvious one being saving money.
Used equipment prices are a fraction of new, which is especially beneficial for small businesses or operators just entering the industry. These cost savings include top-tier brands that, at the price for new models, might be out of reach for some businesses. While saving hundreds to thousands of dollars is the main reason most people purchase used equipment, there's more to the financial benefits beyond just what's on the surface.
We all know that starting a food service operation can be a risky venture. Thankfully, buying used equipment can help reduce that initial risk, allowing you to focus on other aspects of running your business. If you're financing your operation, the lower cost of used equipment means lower debt burden. Since we refurbish our used equipment, it's eligible for financing, which can help ease financial stress and improve your operation's long-term financial health. Since used equipment costs less, your operation can expect a faster return on investment. The faster return can be especially beneficial for new businesses aiming to break even sooner. The savings from buying used equipment help preserve working capital, allowing business owners to use funds more efficiently in day-to-day operations. Lower equipment costs can allow you to offer more attractive pricing to customers, or invest more in your business to stay ahead of the competition.
Now that was some of the financial reasons for buying used equipment, but there are plenty of other reasons to purchase used equipment from Dine Company.
All used equipment we have for sale is readily available, which means you can start using it immediately. Unlike some new equipment that might need to be ordered from the factory, there are no lead times or manufacturer back orders to cause delays. Buying used equipment from Dine Company isn't like buying from your local social media listings where you have no idea if you can trust the seller. Our used equipment is thoroughly tested and repaired when necessary. Hesitant to buy used equipment thinking it won't last? Don't worry. In addition to our standard 30-day warranties, optional extended warranties with multiple term lengths are also available. These low-cost extended warranties can sometimes even match the length of new equipment.
In conclusion, buying used equipment lowers costs, lowers risks, lowers debt, and increases the speed on your return of investment. Stop by and see us when you have a chance, or give us a call or shop online. Thank you for watching, and remember, at Dine Company, we make food service easier.